Hello, and welcome to this lesson where we are going to take a quick detour and have a brief introduction to CloudWatch, CloudTrail, and SNS. Now, we are going to have in-depth lessons on these three services using the Orion Papers later on in this course, but over the next several sections of this course, I am going to, at the very least, refer to these three services at some level. So I just want to give you a quick definition and explanation of what each one of these services are so you can follow along easily with the upcoming sections. First, let's talk about CloudWatch. CloudWatch is used to monitor AWS resources such as EC2. It provides centralized logging and performance metrics for AWS resources. For example, you can monitor and view CPU utilization of an EC2 instance or its network usage. There are also CloudWatch alarms which can be used as triggers in your AWS account, i.e. to trigger an autoscaling event, which is something we're going to talk about in an upcoming section. Next is CloudTrail, and CloudTrail is an API logging service that logs all API calls made to AWS. Now, it does not matter if the API calls originate from the CLI, SDK, or console. Logs can help address security concerns and even allow you to log and view each action performed by a user on your AWS account. Next is Simple Notification Service, otherwise known as SNS. Now, SNS is an AWS service that allows you to automate the sending of notifications, i.e. email and text messages, based on events that occur in your AWS account. So SNS basically coordinates and manages the delivery of messages to specific endpoints. SNS is integrated into many AWS services, so it is really easy to set up and use. With CloudWatch and SNS combining them together, a full environment monitoring solution can be created that will notify administrators with alerts like capacity issues, downtime, or any changes in the environment. And there's also a lot more. So that is just a quick summary of what these three services are. And again, you don't need to know anything in depth about them right now, but I will refer to them over the next several sections. So I at least wanted you to be aware of what they are and what they do. And later on in this course, we will go into each of them in more depth, and I will show you exactly how to set them up and use them. But for now, we will conclude this lesson. Thank you for watching. You may now move on.